Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Do I Pick Timeless Finishes So My Kitchen Won't Look Dated in 5 Years? Imagine your kitchen as the grand stage where culinary arts meet show stopping design. You want finishes that hold their applause well beyond the curtain call, don't you? Trust me, no one wants to scratch their head in a few years wondering why their kitchen looks like a rerun of a sitcom that never aired beyond the pilot. First, let's talk cabinetry and countertops. These are the foundation of your kitchen's look and feel, like the perfect duo in a buddy cop film. Stick to neutral color palettes like whites, grays, and soft earthy tones. They have about as much staying power as a classic tune that makes even the grumpiest grandpa tap his feet. Durable, appealing options like quartz for countertops and white shaker cabinets are your budget-friendly tickets to Ageless Town, ensuring a backdrop as eternal as a desert sky. Next, tune into the minimalist channel. You're choosing elegance. Less is more here, folks. Simple lines and understated hardware say refined without shouting for attention. Avoid overt ornamentation that might scream dated faster than last year's viral dance move. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Ensure your contractor gets the vision. That sleek doesn't mean sterile. Now for appliances and fixtures. Stainless steel is the little black dress of kitchen design. It's chic, versatile, and pairs beautifully with just about anything. And when it comes to fixtures, choose timeless styles over trendy. A classic faucet shape won't betray the secrets of its installation date to the untrained eye. Lighting's your stage master. Classics like pendant or recessed lights in warm tones keep the spotlight warm and inviting. Add dimmers for control over ambiance. It's like having mood lighting controlled by a Shakespearean soliloquy. What's the secret sauce to seal the deal? Incorporate nature-inspired elements like real wood or stone, and a dash of greenery to keep the space feeling fresh and lively. Mixing these natural textures with your polished finishes is akin to pairing your fanciest blazer with your comfiest sneakers, the unexpected harmony that just works. The art of timeless design is about creating a canvas ready to adapt, where style fits like a glove across seasons and trends. Your kitchen should sing a tune that shan't fade but remains on the bestseller list through the ages. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.